Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sneha Priyadarshani and for today's video I have brought a very special Ganesh Chaturthi makeup look. As per your request, I have created a very traditional Maharashtrian look which is easy to create and you can pull it off easily, and at the same time it looks very glamorous. Now let's get started. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. I post a new video and also 4 to 5 shots every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are informed every time I post a new video or an update. I'm starting off with a skin prep and using a moisturizing cream from CeraVe to properly hydrate my skin. For a flawless look, you need to prep your skin well, so please do so before starting with your makeup application. For my primer, I am taking High Definition Smoothing Face Primer from LA Girl. It is a silicone based primer and it is going to fill in the open pores and those fine lines and will give a smooth canvas to my face before I apply my foundation. For this look, I want my foundation to look natural, and for that I am using my favorite Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me range from Maybelline. I am in the shade 115 Ivory. This is a very good beginner friendly foundation and it is good for all skin types. It gives medium coverage and is buildable. I'm using a kabuki brush to get more coverage out of this foundation. Then I'm using a damp beauty sponge to achieve a flawless finish of foundation on my skin. Next, taking concealer from Swiss Beauty to conceal any darkness on my face and mostly concentrating the product beneath my eyes to brighten my eye area. Also applying it on my eyelid to prep it for the application of eyeshadow in the next steps. For your information, I'll leave the details of all the products that I've used in this video in the description box down below so that you can check it out. Also, let me know if you are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi this year. I would love to know the same. After blending concealer with a flat concealer brush, I'm taking a beauty blender bag and tapping it over the blended concealer to get a perfect finish. The key to a beautiful flawless makeup is blending and getting the makeup base right. Next, to create some depth and shadows, I'll use a creamy contour. This one is foundation stick from Nykaa in the shade 07. I'm using a sponge to blend this out and I'm contouring my cheeks and jawline. I've also noticed to achieve a sharp chiseled look, contouring nose really helps. Hence, first applying the contour on my nose with the help of a flat brush and then blending it with the same brush. Further, using my finger to tone down the contour I just did on my nose to make it look more natural. For my blush, I am taking cream tint from Swiss Beauty in the shade Strawberry Sizzle. I will apply it on higher points of cheeks to get a more sharp look and then blend it using a beauty sponge. To set my makeup, I am taking a setting spray from MAC and I'll spray it all over my face and I'll let it get dry. To set my creamy based products, I am taking a translucent powder. This one is from K Beauty, and with the help of a big fluffy brush, I'll apply it all over my face. Now coming to the eyes, for achieving a traditional look, I'm opting for a universal beautiful golden shimmery eye look and hence going with Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. I'm first taking a soft brown shade called Sandalwood from the palette. With a blending brush, I'm going to blend this out in the outer corner as well as the crease. I'm using swiping motion going from outer corner to inner corner, softening everything, so this is going to be my transition color. With another blending brush, I am taking a darker brown bossy shade from the palette. I will use it to further deepen the outer corner as well as the crease. And now I am using golden shimmer shade 24K from the palette, and with the help of a flat brush, I will apply it on the center of my lid first and then extend it till the inner corner of my eyes. This is a very beautiful shade with a golden foil like look and creamy texture. Also, I'll merge this shade with my previous shades for a blended look. Next, in the waterline, I am applying a black kohl eyeliner. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics. And then again using the same eyeshadows on my lower lash line to smoke it out with the help of a thin blending brush. For eyeliner, I'm going in with NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner and also creating a small wing with the help of this liner. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm applying the Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline, first on my upper lashes and then on my lower eyelashes. Now, if you have made till this far of the video, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up as it really motivates in bringing fresh content for you guys. Don't forget to share and subscribe as well. Also, we have few more important steps to follow, so keep on watching. For my lips, I'm taking this very beautiful red shade with pink notes to it. This is shade First Class from Color Stay Sweet Ink collection. Coming to the last step, to highlight my face and to add a subtle glow, I'm taking highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. I'll apply it on high points of my face with the help of a fan brush. I got my jewelry and the nut and the bindi on, and here is the final look. So this is it. Let me know how you like the look, and if you plan to recreate this look, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to check your recreation. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.